So this is a set of full nail tips I did using my new UV LED lamp that has a sensor on it. I'm loving it. If you're interested in seeing the lamp that I'm talking about, as well as a few other products from a nail haul, then stick around. So before I get into the lamp, I'll share a few other products that I did purchase from Temu. And I love buying from Temu. If I need nail art or nail supplies, they have a lot of really nice items for a decent price. And I needed some more of my butterfly swatches for my bottles. I love these. My clients love how they look. You see the colors well in the bottles. And I think there's 50 in this bag. I'm not sure. I'm just looking on the back and I don't see that it says 50. But the link will be down below so you can find them easily. And I did purchase 4 bags. It doesn't come like this in 4. I had to get 4 different bags. I just wanted to have a bunch because I do use them a lot. I have a lot of new polishes coming in all the time. So the next item, I needed some reading glasses, something really strong so I can see fine art that I'm doing really well. And they had these reading glasses. I think they have a bunch of different ones on this site, but these were pretty neutral. They're okay, they're cute, I thought. Maybe don't look the best on me, but they're going to do the trick anyways. I will put up a picture of them on me so you can see. And they are 2.5, I think they were. I will have the link down below as well if you want a different strength of them. That's the strength of 2.5. Well, anyways, getting into the best part of this video, this is wonderful. This is a UV LED nail lamp, and the thing that I wanted one that had a sensor on it so I don't have to touch it every time I'm doing my own nails with full nail tips or I'm doing a client's nails. And this light is so nice. I will bring it out and we'll take a look and I'll explain it a little bit. So to start off, the first thing, it's rechargeable and cordless, which makes it so nice. So I don't have that cord on my desk when I'm using it, moving it around. It did come with instructions. There's a bunch of different languages. And on this side, I think, is the English. And it gives you a little description of the light itself and how to use it. So it's always good to have that in the box. Now let's take a look at this light. It is so cute. And the thing is, it's made so well. And there's the UV LED lights, and that's nice because there's quite a few there. Arm is so flexible. It's made with such good material. It's not a plasticky, crappy material. It's a nice kind of rubbery arm, and you can move it wherever you want. And that's what I like about it. The base is very sturdy. As you just saw, I turned it on. There's an on button, and it is not blinking like that in person. It's just in the camera it does that. I'm not sure why, but there you go. You can see there's a sensor there. So I just put my hand there, and it also has 10 seconds, which I just tapped, and it has a 30-second timer as well. And it has a 60 seconds. So if you want to leave it on for a certain amount of time, it's obviously not going to be censored. So if you want it just to have the sensor and come on and off, you just hit the on off button, and then you're putting your hand there and it comes on. And when you take your hand away, the nice thing is you'll see it goes off, and that's what I wanted. And I finally found one, and I can move it around my desk, and that's what I absolutely love about it. It was really a good purchase. Again, the links will be down in the description of this video if you're unclear. Some people ask me where they are. Well, you just go below the video and you'll see a little more in darker bold lettering. You click the arrow and it takes you down, and then I've got products and video, and under there will be the products I purchased, so you can find them easily if you're wanting to. And also, Temu has a $100 bundle coupon if you're a new user, and you can get $100 off your first order, which is really nice. I'll have that down below as well. So of course, I want to show you using this lamp, and I have a client coming in doing full nail tips. She's going to Mexico and wants a set of nails. So I will be using this lamp and I will be applying the tips. I did all the prep work and everything. I'm not showing you all that. I'm just showing you applying the nail tips and using the lamp and how nice it is to have that sensor on there. It works so well. And I show you, I think, all 5 of her nails so that you can see how easy it makes to apply and just put them under the light and the light's automatically coming on. I could have had it on for like 60 seconds, but why when it could come on and off as I need it? So that worked really well. And I moved it to the other side of my desk when I was doing her other hand, which was nice. It's pretty small. It's not too small, but it's pretty small that you can move it to one side or the other, which I felt was really nice. And it's very sturdy on my desk sitting there, of course. So yeah, I can't say enough about this lamp. I'm so glad I found it. And if you're looking for something like that, it's definitely a good purchase. And it's pretty inexpensive for a smaller lamp as well. Of course, my client does stick her hands in my larger UV LED lights to fully cure, but you could fully cure under this because it is big enough. But I just flash cure, and then at the end she'll fully cure all of her nails in the big lamp, and then I don't have to worry that they aren't cured enough. And while I work on the other hand, she does that as well. So just applying the tips to the last 2 nails and putting them under the lamp, and then I'll show you the finished nails. I didn't want this video to be about the color and the art. It was about the lamp more and just the other products I purchased. So I will just show you what the nails look like again when they were finished. They turned out really cute. They're nice and bright for Mexico for her. She really seemed to like them, which made me happy. So this client had sent me an inspiration photo, so it was somewhat similar, a little different though to the finished nails. I hope you enjoyed seeing the haul and seeing the new lamp I purchased. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.